This message is being broadcast at the request of your local police department. A civil danger warning has been issued for your area until further notice. Please listen carefully to the contents of this message. There have been multiple reports of highly dangerous anomalies in your area. These anomalies are described as tall, humanoid figures that are approximately 9 feet tall, and have very long arms, legs, and fingers. They have no facial features other than a large mouth with many sharp teeth. The anomalies attack when the victim is in a large open area, such as a road or a field. They can also appear outside of windows and doors, if the victim is indoors. The anomaly appears approximately 150 to 200 feet away from the victim. After they appear, they will let out a piercing screech that only the victim can hear. The anomaly will keep screeching for 20 seconds and then attack. After the anomaly is done screeching, it will chase the victim. If you see one of these anomalies, or hear a demonic screech, you must run away from them as fast as you can. Run for approximately 2 minutes, and then hide behind a large object. If you have escaped, you will hear another screech that is approximately 10 seconds long, and then the anomaly will leave. If you cannot find an object to hide behind, keep running until you hear another screech. It is unknown how long these anomalies will be in the area, or if they attack a victim multiple times. The anomalies can attack at any time. Make sure you have a method of escape at all times. Your local law enforcement is attempting to eliminate
Countless amounts of death reports have been reported in the last few days. The deaths are caused by a mysterious humanoid entity. The entity is approximately 3 to 4 meters tall and has the ability to shape-shift to match the appearance of someone, but it sometimes fails to look 100% identical and will look a little or even very abnormal. If you see a person abnormal in both appearance and behavior, keep your distance and report it to us immediately. Do not try to confront the entity by any means. If you dare to, the entity will start showing its true appearance and will become hostile and aggressive. For now, it is best to stay in your home and don't let anyone in. Even though it is your family or whoever it is, it may be an entity that disguises themselves as your family. I hope this broadcast helps you in this current situation, and may God ensure our safety.
This emergency broadcast is a warning to all players current in the swords and laser gunfights world. A giant monster is emerging through the crack in the sky, and entities are attacking multiple maps. We advise you to seek shelter and stay calm. There are multiple anomalies pretending to be people you may know in this world. If you hear an abnormal activity, try to fight them off as best as you possibly can. If somebody you recognize tries to convince you to come with them to hide, do not trust them, because it could be an anomaly or entity. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.